customers come back and say, brilliant, I've got the invoice for the stuff I've had today, I can now do my invoice to my customer and get paid a lot quicker.
We needed a new system to cope with our growing business. Intact IQ seemed to offer us the sort of stock integration and seamless transaction that we were needed to run our business. It's made life very easy for all of our staff. From the back office staff to the front office staff, they can all access the system through terminals and PCs, and they can send quotations, invoices.
We can drill it down to whatever you want to do. The top 20 customers, the total directs that month, total deliveries that month, total cash sales that month, total whatever you want. It's so adaptable.
This means it saves them time and effort from printing and using snail mail, as we call it now, and they can get their product to the customer very, very quickly.
Intact IQ saved us a fortune on pre-printed stationery and postage, being able to email invoices and statements on a daily basis.
It's made us look more professional to our customer. If there's ever any problem, the traceability is very good.
Whereas before, it would take a good 30 minutes to scroll through products, whereas now you can pick specific words out and find that product within seconds.
The training was good. It was very easy. Blue Rock's training staff really explained the way the system worked in a step-by-step basis. And again, it gave our staff the confidence to go ahead on the live date.
And we have a couple of guys here who were computer dinosaurs at the time, but now they're very literate on the computer.
Once the training was complete, they got on board very quickly with the new system, and all their scepticism seemed to disappear. It soon became very clear to all our staff that this was going to be the way to go.
Blue Rock actually wrote a little system so we could cost the fitting of kitchens and bathrooms in our local area. There's a software help desk and there's a hardware help desk.
Well, if asked by another merchant if I would recommend Blue Rock, it would be an absolute no-brainer.
Most helpful from the first meeting right through to implementation, right through to running the system.
Their support system is second to none, really.
I'd recommend Intact IQ to anybody.
It makes the ease of running your business so much better.
Since we've been running it, it's helped our business grow and grow and grow.